Yes, I'm happy to say that Craghoppers is back. I've got some rugged travel clothing on me again that I know is going to last. This brand exited the US market for a little while. They're a UK brand, but now they're available in the States again. And you can get this kind of quality clothing that's really hard to find elsewhere. That's an actual piece of fabric there. That's not some, thread that's going to fall apart in a few days. And a lot of this stuff I'm showing has insect shield, which means it'll keep the bugs away, including these socks. These are insect shield socks. So you can go for a hike and not have ticks biting at you or mosquitoes biting at you. This pair of pants is also treated with insect shield. This is their Adventure pant. And then this other one is the Kiwi Pro, a popular one from their line. I've got a pair of these Adventure pants that I've had for 12 years now, I think. This is the new version. It's got cargo pockets, it's got zip pockets on both sides, got a zip pocket on the back. You can see these have zipper pockets also. It's a lot harder for a thief to get into those to pickpocket you. And these cargo pockets here, they have snaps. It's not just Velcro. And then this is their Renew fleece. And what I like about this is it's made 100% from recycled materials. Here we go. Once again, nice zippers here on the pocket with pulls and quality zippers here. And then this is just something to keep you nice and warm in cool weather. I really like these shirts from Craghoppers, and I know I'm going to be wearing this on pretty much every trip when I'm doing any kind of outdoor adventure activities. Yet this looks nice enough. You can wear it out to the pub if you need to, but you could tell this is rugged ripstop nylon here. It's not going to flake out on you. Like I said, well-made buttons. You can also use this small pocket on the side here to put things in, and these sleeves roll up and attach. So this is just good all-around travel clothing. Craghoppers.com in the UK, but craghoppersusa.com in the USA. And also, just a nice sun hat here, also treated with insect shield, so that'll keep the bugs off. This here is our Outback hat, which goes into a little pouch. This is a very specialized item. You're probably not going to be using this on a regular trip, but if you're going into the rainforest or the jungle, it pops right out like that. It pops right out of that little pouch, and it's got netting on it. So this is hardcore for when you got really a lot of mosquitoes. But if you're in that situation, you might want to pack that instead of just a regular sun hat. But both of these are treated with insect shield, and they'll keep the bugs away.